meteorologist Kelly Foster.
6:41. It is getting closer and closer to 7 a.m. Time to hop on up. Get your Monday started on the right foot. If you're trying to figure out what to wear today, don't wear your best shoes. In fact, grab the rain boots, put them in the back seat of your car just in case. We have a marginal risk of severe weather today. What is marginal risk? Well, it's a 1 on a scale of 0 to 5. And we're going to get the tail end of a front that is going to come plowing through here a little bit later on today. So we want you to be ready for it. This morning we've had a low cloud deck, but our air mass continues to get juiced up out ahead of this front. We've got that warm air surging in from the Gulf of Mexico. Here's a look at that front right now, beginning to bear down on Jackson, Mississippi. And this does have a history of producing severe storms. It produced severe storms while you were sleeping last night in Texas. And again, this is going to be a fast moving system. It's going to move in here just before lunch. It's going to be out of here by 5 o'clock. We've had some spotty fog this morning, but we don't have a dense fog advisory. Visibility at about 6 miles in Mobile and along Interstate 10. In spots, it's down to about a mile. 7 o'clock, 54, upper 60s at noon. That's when the storms begin to move in. We'll hit 71 at 3 o'clock, and then by 5 o'clock, 67, and the storms will be moving out of Destin then. So kind of a swampy, foggy start to the work week. A fast moving front really rising that rain risk today to 70%, and then calm and comfy days ahead. We're talking Tuesday through Thursday, a 0% chance of rain. Take a look at the Gulf of Mexico, really beginning to get churned up with this southerly wind flow. We've had gusts up to about 20 miles per hour at times. Here's the thunderstorm cells getting cranked up in Mobile County at about 12:30. This will impact your lunch break today, especially up Highway 43, Highway 45, up near Citronelle, Celeste, Bucks, Maxey, and also in Greene County, Mississippi, near McLean and Beaumont. Also, you can see into the Grand Bay area. We stopped the clock at about 2:50. Evergreen, Castleberry, and Conecuh County getting wet. Escambia County, Alabama, and then for your drive at 5, we're pretty much through. We may see a few little spots showing up along I-65. I'm not going to have a real big cool down like we typically do during the winter season when we've got these strong cold fronts raking across the area. In fact, lows overnight are going to be dropping into the 40s. As far as rain total, since it's moving so fast, we're talking about a 1/4 of an inch of rain. So 70% today, 0% Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and only a 20% chance of a shower as we head into your Friday. Loving this sunset, Tim R. This was Sunday over the Port City, and notice this angry surf in Gulf Shores. Marie Weiser captured this as those winds continue to push those waves crashing into our shoreline. Here is your 7-day. And we're going to be in the 70s today, 60s tomorrow, 50s Wednesday, and then the rain begins to ramp back up as we head towards next week.